fly escape a 2. A dos. I'm just gonna wait for the next round to start. Okay. I voted Desperate Seas for the next map. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. Oh, and I just made a video. Some Brawl Stars. Yeah, some grinding a bit of trophies and other things, blah, blah, blah. You should probably check that out. This video, I think, will maybe be before or after the Brawl Stars video, so check it out. I don't know how to put links in, so yes, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, you should probably check that video. Okay, let's try to beat this. Yes, I beat it. Okay, next round. Okay, I voted cave system. See, cave system there. Okay, let's try to beat this map. Okay, you have to be fully underground. Okay, guys. Someone press the button. We're gonna die soon if you don't. Thank you. You might have to risk your life though for that one. Okay. Okay. Now I'm trying to do this part, but the other people have to press the button because, well, you can't press this button without that. I was so close. Oh, someone else got it. Press the button. Now he sees okay, God. Maybe he was in first person. First person's really hard. Hey, comment down below if I should do first person only in Flash Escape 2. Maybe if this video gets 5 entire likes. You heard that right. 5 entire likes. Then I'll make a first person only video. Bro, I have to be first person the entire video. But today is going to be a bit shorter than usual. So, yeah. Okay. So, next map is Orion Tail Grove. Okay, I know what to do for this one. You just got to jump here if you're not going to press a button. I usually do press the button in this map, but not today. Help. Okay, maybe the Warrior Rush can help me because I can't get out. Okay, shift lock isn't helping. Yep, I'm dead. Whoa. Today will just be like a 5 or 6 minute video today. Anyways, let's do a couple more rounds. Okay, I forgot to record. Anyways, we missed a bit. Sarah. Okay, we need to hurry. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be one more round after this, and this video will be a bit done. Okay, I know it's more earlier done than most, but I try to make small content because I know YouTubers, for every view you don't make too much money. Like every view you get like 1 to 3 cents. And I saw a YouTuber, I like his videos. Really it. Okay, that'll be all for today, and actually no, I'll do one last one. let's do construction thrill because I'm so thrilled. Mop, mop, mop. This is the final one for this video today. Yeah, if you're at the top, you won't get much. Or you stay at the bottom, you won't get much either. Maybe she's in the block. Ah, it's glitching for me. Okay, it's a bit glitchy. So I could glitch out any moment. And if I do, then I'll be glad. That music means we need to hurry. I need to get the stress call today. Ugh. Oh. Okay, maybe. But come on, guys. Can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? You know, in one of my videos. Okay, before I go, I'm just gonna say that. Do you really want me to do a review? I said we need 30 subscribers to get a reveal. Understand? So, do you want a review or not? Subscribe now. Subscribe. I know you're not yet. Come on, do it now. There we go. Okay, and that'll be it for today, and see you next time. Bye-bye.